Hi, Peter Robertson from William Porteous Properties. Welcome to number 5 Scott Street in Claremont. Here we are on a corner 532 square metre block and a stunningly renovated Federation style house. It is a beautiful home. Let's go and have a look. One of the things you'll see about this house is the incredible detail and the meticulous attention that has gone into creating it. It is an award-winning renovation, and when we go through all of the different elements of the house, you're going to see why. The kitchen is often referred to as the heart of the home, and there are few better hearts than this one. What a beautiful job that they've done with the white on white, the simplicity, the elegance, the finishes. This is a room that you will enjoy every day of the year. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, but this is one of the bedrooms. It is absolutely massive and would readily lend itself to becoming another theatre room, another lounge room, use it as you will. It is a fantastic space. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen, number 5 Scott Street in Claremont, a beautifully renovated, meticulously finished home. We really look forward to showing you through.